Hello and welcome to Learn Fast with HK. Today we are going to understand the reasons behind using geometric mean and arithmetic mean, and I'm going to show you the situations in which geometric mean emerges to be a winner while the arithmetic mean totally fails. And in those situations, the arithmetic mean will provide you a false picture while you can still rely on geometric mean. Before we proceed further, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. For online classes, please contact us at the below given contact details. Before I present you an example, let me just write down the formulas for both arithmetic mean and geometric means. The arithmetic mean is a simple average of returns of the numbers or n, while the geometric mean is not the simple average but a compounded average. So over here we are not going to add, but we are going to multiply the returns of two numbers, and we are not going to divide it by n, but it is going to be raised to the power 1 by n minus 1 because we have added 1, so we have to subtract 1 from here, and whatever comes will be your geometric mean. Now let me provide you a hypothetical example of a company called Aruba Networks. And let's say that Aruba Networks delivered a return of 100% in year 1 and minus 50% in year 2, which means that if you had invested $100 in year 0 or today, after 1 year, that investment must have become $200 because you have received 100% return. And after another 1 year, that investment would have come back to $100 because in this year, you got a minus 50% return. So all in all, the total amount of return that you must have earned must be 0%. Now let's just find out that's the reality. Now let's just find out the arithmetic mean of this return stream. The arithmetic mean for this return stream is 100% plus minus 50% divided by 2. And this comes out to be 25%. Now, the arithmetic mean tells us that on an average, you earned 25% by investing in this stock over the period of 2 years. However, since we know the reality, in reality, we earned 0% from these stocks because we started at $100 and ended at $100. So it is very clear that arithmetic mean is not providing us the correct picture or the true picture. Let's see if geometric mean can provide us the true picture. The geometric mean will be 1 plus 100% multiplied by 1 plus minus 50%. So I'll put it in bracket, raised to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 plus 100%. So 100% can also be written as 1. So it's going to be 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus minus 0.5. So it's 1 minus 0.5. So I can write it as 0.5. And this entire thing is raised to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. So this is 2 multiplied by 0.5 raised to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. Sorry, it's a minus, not equals to. And this becomes 1. 2 multiplied by 0.5 raised to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 raised to the power 1 by 2 is 1 only. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0%. Now, geometric means tells us that you have earned a 0% return by investing in the stock for the period of 2 years, which is actually true because we started at 100 and we ended at 100. So if you are using arithmetic mean in this situation, it will provide you a very wrong picture of the average returns that you can earn from this stock. But if you use the geometric mean, then you will have a true picture. So one learning from this is that whenever you see a very high volatility of returns, just like we have in this case, always use geometric mean and never rely on arithmetic mean. There are some more deficiencies and there are some more points of differences between arithmetic mean and geometric mean, which we can look at now. The arithmetic mean is something which should not be used for for dependent variables. When I say dependent variables, if I talk about the return stream for a few years, for the last 5 years, for the last 3 years, then arithmetic mean should not be used to find out the average of the returns that you have earned in these years. However, geometric mean is a preferred method of finding out the average. When I say dependent variables, so returns can be dependent variables. And if I talk about the independent variables, an example could be to find out the average of the temperature in the city for the last 5 years. So there, I think arithmetic mean can be easily used to find out the average temperature for the last 5 years in the city. Or you can also use arithmetic mean in a situation wherein you want to find out the average marks scored by the student in all the exams. So in these two situations, the arithmetic mean can be easily used because in these two situations, we are talking about independent variables rather than the dependent variables. The second point of difference is effect of compounding. In arithmetic mean, we do not have the effect of compounding, whereas in geometric mean, we incorporate the effect of compounding. And when you're talking about the returns, then compounding is something which is very, very important in order to find out the true returns that you have earned from a certain product or a certain asset class or a certain investment. Without compounding, it might not give you the complete picture. Volatility of returns. If the volatility of returns is high, then the geometric mean will be a better measure compared to the arithmetic mean, which will fail in such situations, as we have seen in our example for Aruba networks. The arithmetic mean is used more in economics and statistics field, whereas the geometric mean is used more in finance. The last point of difference is ease of use. Uh, Over here, the arithmetic mean scores better compared to the geometric mean because the formula for using arithmetic mean is very simple compared to the formula for using the geometric mean. So these were the points of differences between two measures, and I hope it is clear to you. And if you want videos on any more topics or any specific topics, then please write it in the comments and I shall make the videos for you. And for any other queries or for queries regarding online classes, please contact me at the given contact details. Thank you for watching my video.